is everyone doing? I am Latasha, owner of L&J Enterprises. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. If you have not watched the previous videos, just a little background. I am in the trucking industry. I own a trucking company with my husband and brother-in-law. No, I do not drive. They drive. I handle all the business. I also help owner-operators that want to get their operating authority, and I also help people that want to break into the trucking industry via passive income. I will put the link to our website in the description box, and you guys can look on there to see what packages best fits you. I have mentorships, self-guides, and I also have options where I complete your authority process for you. So if you're interested in that, feel free to click the link in the description. So today we are going to talk about trucking in the passive income. Yes, the passive income. It is really good. However, I tell anybody to make sure you do your research on the trucking industry before you hop in passive wise. And I say that because different commodities, different regions, they have different profit margins. So you want to make sure that you do your research on anything in the trucking industry, especially when you have no clue about it. You also want to look at different companies to lease your truck onto. Doing that beforehand, it allows you, number one, to find the truck that you need to get. Number two, find a good driver. Most companies have their driver requirements, and you can just take those driver requirements and recruit however you see fit. My best way for recruitment, and that I tell my clients, is Indeed. Just today I had a mentor. We were talking about how to post on Indeed, and within a couple of hours of that post being approved, she already had 10 applicants looking for her job. So you can get it like that, drivers, very quickly. And Indeed has it where you can put skills assessments on there, and they will filter through everything for you. And then the other best part about it, it's free. So use all your resources that you can. The other way you can recruit drivers is through Craigslist, Facebook trucking groups, Instagram using hashtags, and you can look at trucking forums to post in. So you want to make sure that you have a driver that's very dependable. They need to be dependable. I cannot stress that enough. Some drivers will literally leave your stuff on the side of the road, and that is no joke. They will leave your stuff. So whenever you're interviewing drivers, make sure that you ask them, why are they currently seeking employment? That's going to be very, very important. Also, give little incentives for them signing on with your company. What can you offer them that another person can't offer them? Do little sign-on bonuses, do retention bonuses, do things to keep your driver. Also, listen to your driver. That's the main thing. Please listen to your driver. I don't know how many complaints I get about drivers didn't want to do XYZ. However, in that interview, that driver told you that he wasn't going to do XYZ anyway. So it's very important that you listen to the driver, because most drivers are going to tell you what they want to haul, what they do not like hauling, what their home time is. They're going to tell you all that. And if they don't tell you, you make sure you ask. It's going to be your responsibility.